Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes, art challenges to try in your own style. Today I am making a parody of Josh Kiska, the singer from the rock band Greta Van Fleet. This drawing is part of my Crayons Rock Art challenge inspired by Pete the Cat Crayons Rock by Kimberly and James Dean. In this parody, Josh Kiska becomes Josh Crayola of Greta Crayon Fleet. For this art challenge, you may want a sheet of paper, a how to draw sheet, a pencil and eraser, a Sharpie or other marker, a ruler, and crayons, because crayons rock. I encourage you to begin with pencil lightly on the paper to better set yourself up for success. As I outline in marker, please feel free to pause this video as you follow along so that you can go at your own comfortable pace. I chose to make this drawing and this character because I am a huge fan of Greta Van Fleet. Even though they sound a lot like other classic rock bands, I think Greta Van Fleet make music in their own style by writing songs about topics that interest them. If you decide to try this art challenge, make your own version of a musical crayon that reflects your musical interests or passions. Yours could be a rock star like mine, a rapper, a DJ, or any other kind of musician that you know of. Whatever you choose, I know that you'll do great, because you rock. I do hope that you try this art challenge for yourself. Feel free to begin this journey by making my character Josh Crayola, or jump right into your own creation. Remember that yours can be a doodle or a masterpiece. Either way, I know you're going to rock it. Happy making, artists. Enjoy.